Good day guys, welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm telling you and showing you how to customize Windows 11 start menu folders. So in order to make sure that some folders appear or not appear in your start menu, like downloads or documents, we need to get our settings open, and then you go to personalization, then navigate to the start right here. And as you can see here, we have the folders button, click on it. And here, as you can see, you can choose which folders will appear in your start menu. So, for example, in my case, I don't have settings there because I already have settings pinned on my taskbar here. If you want File Explorer, that's a handy one actually, or documents or downloads, you can just enable. And then when you open up Start menu, let me show you. So we'll just, for example, enable pictures, turn this on, and now look, as you can see, if I open my start menu, I now have my pictures right here, as you can see, with this little icon. And if I click on it, I will have, as you can see, my screenshots and photos here in this folder. They will open up in this window in Explorer. Also, if you don't want to get rid of some of them, you can also do that. Just disable this button and they won't appear there anymore. So that is it, guys. Enjoy this one. If this was helpful, like and subscribe.